Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Nissan Navara, stock number 6128. It's ran from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a YS23 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear factory 17-inch alloy mag tyre. Center console lid, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,